In this tutorial, I'll show you how to block and unblock accounts on Instagram. So first, you need to go on the profile you want to block. Let's say I want to block Microsoft. I'm on their profile and there are three dots on this top right corner right here. You're going to tap on it. And the second option, it will be block. It will ask you here if you want to block Microsoft and new accounts that they may created. So if Microsoft created other accounts, they can be blocked too. Or if you just want to block Microsoft, tap on this second option. And finally, press block. You done it. Now, how to unblock? It's really easy. There's two methods. The first one, you have here unblock. You can simply tap and they will ask you if you want to unblock it. Tap again and you're done. Microsoft is unblocked. Now the second option is if you forgot which accounts you blocked and you want to unblock them. To do this, you need to click on the lower right corner right here where your profile is. Now click on the top right corner where the three lines are. Go to Settings, Privacy, and now you need to scroll down. Under Connections, there is Blocked Accounts. Click on it. And here you can see all the accounts I previously blocked and have the choice to unblock them. So let's say I want to unblock Apple. I'll click on the unblock message right there. They will give me this and I will tap again on block and it's done. I can do this for any other's accounts to unblock them all. Thanks for watching and please subscribe and give us a like if this video helped you.